Hi guys, I'm Selena with Red Leg, and I'm here to talk about our prizes for February's Friday challenges. So, what is the Friday challenge? Good question. So essentially, the Friday challenge is an email quiz game. What you'll get is every Friday, mid-morning-ish, hint hint, we'll send out an email with that Friday's challenge. So essentially, if you choose the correct answer, you'll be in the running for one of these prizes. So I guess in a sense you could say that it's kind of like a raffle. Now it's time to introduce the toys for February. And they're in no particular order. I personally kind of want to keep hold of these for myself, but yeah, you'll see what they are. So if you can see that, the Fluffuccino slime. Because every adult needs some kind of slime at their desk. Not intended for consumption. I think we could have figured that one out for ourselves. If you can see that. And this isn't like a true unboxing video because I'm not going to open up your presents. You can open those up for yourself. Another toy for this month. Unstable unicorns. So I don't know if you've heard of Exploding Kittens, but this is made by the same people, I believe. So you know it's going to be a lot of fun. So this is the second edition, and the tagline says, "Build a unicorn army, betray your friends. Unicorns are your friends now." 2 to 8 players, 30 to 60 minutes for a game, ages 14 and up. And they've got new cards in this one. All right, toy number 3 for this month. This one is pretty fun, I think. Might not be suitable for the office, but if you make a space for it, why not? You can see that. National Geographic's Geodes. You get 2 that you can break open. I don't know if it comes with a hammer, but there's crystal treasure inside. What's not to love about that? Oh, kit includes 2 premium quality geodes, 1 pair of safety goggles, safety first as they say, 1 learning guide, 1 magnifying glass, and 1 display stand so you can display your geode. That sounds kind of fun. All right, it's our final toy for the month of February. All right, I think this is super cute and I totally want one for myself. Who doesn't love a little bit of Pokemon? I know I do. And that is the Charmander version. So you have a little Pokeball here on the top. So it's like a little, it's not Lego brand, but it's like that. I think it's called Mega Constructs or something. Yeah, Mega Constructs. That fit in your hand like that. And then they show you kind of what it will look like once you put it together. That would be really cute on your desk, if you want to give it to your best friend at work, if you want to give it to someone you know. All right, so those are our toys for the Friday challenges this month in February. So how to play the Friday challenge. If you follow the link, whichever way it appears on this platform, then you can enter in your email and you'll get quizzed every Friday.